So story rewatch count in Snapchat, how to enable it. So first of all, you need to tap on your profile in top left and then tap on Snapchat and plus, but you need to upgrade to Snapchat Plus, and then from here you can just enable this story rewatch count. And there you have it. So what it does, you will be able to see how many of your friends actually seen your story. However, you won't be able to see who exactly seen your story. So you won't be able to see, this friend seen my story. Nope. It's only like if you just go to your story, you will see that there is eyes emoji to the bottom right, not the eyes emoji to the bottom left, to the bottom right. And then you will just see their friends' views in your Snapchat story. So that's basically the idea of this feature.